Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check requests that we have sent on Instagram, and all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. And from here, they're going to tap on our profile here at the bottom, and then we're going to tap on the three lines. From there, we will have to download our information by tapping on the account center and then tapping on the information and permission. And then from there, you're going to tap on download your information so that you're going to be able to see your request sent on Instagram. And from there, as you can see, I already downloaded my information. But if you wanted to now to do it, all you have to do is to tap on the download information. You're going to choose the account that you would like to download. When you tap on next, then you're going to tap on available information, and they're going to tap on download to devices, and then you're going to tap on create files. From there, as you can see, there is a pending download, and once just finishes downloading, you're going to tap on the download, and then you're going to input your password. Once you've already finished putting your password, you're going to head on over to your files. Then here at download, you're going to see a file, and once you tap on it and tap on download, you're going to be taken to here, and it will pop out here on listen documents, and you're going to see that file. From there, you're going to unzip it. After unzipping it, you are going to tap on the following request, and from there, you are going to be able to see all of the request that you had sent. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.